Today we're going to be downloading Optifine for version 1.19.4. Now, the thing is, it was not yet released, yet we have all these videos online claiming that it was released. So, you know, let me just Google Optifine 1.19.4. Let me open up the first video, shall we? And shall we look down into these rabbit holes? So, Optifine for Minecraft 1.19.4 released 3 days ago. And it says download Optifine here. Alright, I'm just gonna click the link. And then going to be 100%. By the way, guys, if you go to Optifine Twitter, this is the official Optifine news. And here you can see that the development has begun March 16th. And is now 50% complete. Yet they claim that it's been already completed 1 day before this official tweet, which is the first red flag. Let me just click downloads here, see what happens. This is a download redirect page. Download Optifine here. Alright, let's see what happens. There you go. Optifine, first of all, it says 1.19.3, not 0.4. You gotta like the video, you gotta subscribe, obviously. Gonna do a handstand, like another video. Download extension. Let me see the download extension. That looks shady as hell. Download extension. Visit the page. The best new tab extension for a browser. Guys, this is how you get a virus. The best virus extension for a browser. Let me have a look at the video. Disclaimer, there is no copyright infringement intended for the sound or picture. I do not take any responsibility for any kind of viruses and malwares. This is blatant scam, guys. This first video. I don't understand why people are so dumb. Let me check the other video. Alright, so this is the first video. Let me check the other video. That's the same video. The same computer icon, same background. Different. This is Toshi, and this guy's called Minecraft TGK. Alright, let me go to the other video then, by Toshi. Toshi98, we reviewed the first one. What's up with this guy? Download Optifine here. Okay. And here we go to the same URL. So apparently these channels are affiliated scammers and they try to download you a virus and get more views. Alright, let me go to the third one. This is funny. So it's been premiered March 14. And well, good news is that it at least points to the official website on which we'll find if we go to downloads and if we open up the preview version, that there isn't such a thing as 1.19.4 as of yet. By the time you're watching this video, guys, it may change. And I wanted to make this video real quick because use your brain, you know, common sense, it's not common practice anymore, okay? Common sense is not common practice. You need to start using common sense. The only official way to get Optifine is if you go to optifine.net and you go to the downloads right here, and then you can download it from these links. Okay, now here's what you can do. Since Optifine is not yet released, here's what you can do to help the developers release it faster. I'm going to give you homework. You're going to click donate, okay, and you're going to donate to them. You can just donate, I don't know, $5, $10. Instead of getting a virus and instead of making someone else's money, you're actually going to donate just a couple of dollars to the developer, because chances are it's a very small team. Chances are the guy is working day and night to deliver the update in the fastest possible fashion, and he will really appreciate your donation instead of you falling for any sort of scam. So this is what you can do, right? The moral of this video, don't get into these clickbaity things, and I could go on and on. There's 7 pages of these scams. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do want to code your own plugins, your own software, we actually have a course called Project Orin, which you can go click the link in the description. Not a scam, actually been proven by over 2,000 students, and we have been doing it since 2018. It's a full-fledged Java plus Spigot and Paper API course. I didn't want to make this video to, you know, show that course. I just wanted to point out to this Optifine issue, but I really recommend you go and check that out as well if you want to learn about very, very cool stuff. And perhaps after taking that course, you can join, you can join the Optifine team and help them develop, because you are going to have sufficient Java knowledge. So again, guys, take care. Don't fall for these scams, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Goodbye.